Welcome to Pensacola, Florida. This is the bus life. All right, so what I'm installing today are these flush mount handles on our bathroom door. And the main reason we wanted to go with these is primarily for the fridge. If there was a regular doorknob on this bathroom door, the fridge door would hit it. So we went with these. We found these on Amazon. They weren't very expensive, and they're kind of a cool thing. The only thing is they don't lock. So I will have to put a lock on the inside, like a slide lock or something like that. But I will put the link for these in the video description because they're actually really cool. And you know, when you're dealing with small spaces and you're needing to walk by an area, it's nice not having to have that doorknob sticking out there. My chisel is quite dull. Looks good.
Stop it.
So this does not install exactly like a traditional doorknob installs. Normally on a doorknob you would cut a pretty good size hole here, and the fittings and stuff for a doorknob goes all the way through. This doesn't do that. The only thing that goes through this door from one handle to another is a piece like that. It goes in there like that. But what I had to do is I had to take a 1/2 inch off of this piece in order to shorten it. I don't know what doors these were originally designed for, but this piece is too long, so a 1/2 inch had to come off. I just used an angle grinder to cut.
But you didn't cut
that piece. I haven't cut this one. This one is for the master bedroom door. So just an update for you guys. About a week ago, we left Orlando, Florida, and we made our way to Pensacola, Florida. Today I'm just kind of getting back on a couple things that I've been wanting to get finished on the bus. One is installing our roof vent covers. I've gone back and forth because I really like when I lay on our bed that I can see out and see the sky. But the problem is what's nice about having the roof vent covers on is you can have your vents open while you're driving. You can't do that if you don't have them on. You can have your roof vents open while it's raining. You can't do that if you don't have them on. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those because I know there's gonna be times we're driving in really nice weather and it'd be awesome to be able to have those roof vents on. So I'm gonna show you guys today. These roof vent covers look very simple to install, but we'll see as we get into this. So I'm actually up on the roof of the bus right now, and you'll see in just the last couple days how many sticks and stuff have accumulated up here because we're right under these huge oak trees, and I think I'm gonna have to wash my roof soon. So these roof vent covers are for the Fantastic Vents, the Ultra Breeze, and they're made by Atwood, which is also Dometic. This is the roof vent cover right here. There's my roof vent. It's just 2 pieces. It's got that, and then it's got this part of it, and then it comes with a bag of parts. And the only other thing you'll need is you'll need a drill, and you'll need some sort of sealant. I've got some silicone. So what are we doing in Pensacola? We're visiting family, kind of taking a break. You know, we've been on the bus conversion for 9 months straight, and it's been very tiring, and just the last few days being able to just get up and not think about having to, you know, work on the bus has been great. But then I kind of start getting antsy and like, you know what, we still need to get this done. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the second screw in on from each end, take that out, and I've got another screw I'm gonna put in its place and a washer. Okay, next I'm taking some silicone, I'm putting in that hole before I put my other screw back in. So now that I got my sealant on there, I'm gonna go ahead and install this clip. And what's really nice about these is it looks like if you ever wanna take the covers off, it's real easy to do just by taking out 4 of these pins, and the cover should pop right off. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that. And they do provide a screw for installing that. All right, so now that we got our one bracket installed, we're gonna do the same thing all the way around with all the other brackets. So next, all we have to do is pull out our pins, set the cover on top, and put some washers in and replace the pins. That was a little too easy. Very simple to install. Next and last is just taking this vent and installing it on the end. And they give these 2 little white push pins that go in the side. Right in place. And that was really pretty easy. So as I'm up here working, the kids are out playing. Can you believe it? Kids playing? Unreal. Okay, so I have 2 more of these to install and then I'm done. And I think I'm done on this roof. I don't think there's anything else I have to do. No, I'm not done on this roof because I still have to install 1 more AC unit for the master bedroom. But that's coming in the future. So it takes about 4 minutes is all. 4 minutes to install one of those. That's not bad. Careful. All right, let's do the last one. All right, so the last one is done. Now I'm gonna have Julie test all of them from the inside before I get off the roof, just to make sure that they are all opening properly from the inside.
Oh, and yeah. I was gonna say that's letting in a cool breeze, but I think it's sucking the AC in here. Clean.
Oh, that feels good.
Do you feel the cold air coming out?
Yeah, it feels like air conditioning.
Anya, why are you crying? Here, let's sit you up. Oh.
that's really what she wants.